Program 2, really simple, just doing step back lunges.
That's why.
Is the easier version, yes?
Yeah.
Or you could do alternating step forward lunges, 5 aside.
That's why.
How can you make it harder? Jumping lunges. 5 aside. From that, you're just going to go into a side bridge, 30 seconds aside. Easy version here.
That's why. That's
You can go into here.
why. That's
You can make it harder here.
that.
Just make sure you use the timer so it's nice and even both sides. Just doing that way you're getting some core work at the same time as doing some leg work. Don't put that on the mirror, buddy, that's dangerous. And then 3 rounds of that, should get that done in like 6 minutes. Pretty quick, very simple. First round, if you're not feeling warm with the lunges, do the easier version. Each round do a harder version. If you want to just stay with the easy ones, that's cool. If you feel a bit tight in your hip flexors when you come down, step back, tuck that butt under.
That's why.
Exactly, that's right. And stretch them out on that first round just to get nice and warm, especially if you've been driving or sitting in a plane, whatever, and your hips are really tight and short. Really simple. Program number 2.